So everyone, we'll have the head coach of Cavalier, Mr. Rudolph Speed, will now open the floor for questions. Please raise your hand and go ahead. Who would like to start?
Coach, I'm not the result that I wanted based on how the game and went over. Cavalier seem as if they're on the way to a victory. Really can't see this so late in the game. Can you speak about the feedback of comparing the chances the team created and then compare it to the final result?
Yeah, I thought we should have been at least 2 or 3 goals up at halftime. We didn't do that, and I suppose in the second half, when fatigue started to take a toll, you know, we didn't play so well.
And a follow-up question. Speaking about the first half, a missed penalty, hitting the post, a lot of really chances created. It really seemed to really come and catch you guys in the second half where it seemed like it was sluggish. Do you have any concerns about the team's finishing or going into the final 2 games of the group stage?
Oh, definitely, but the good thing is that we'll get a couple of Premier League games before those, so that might help.
Coach, well, the attack stuttered, but the defense looked much better, especially with the introduction of Forbes. Are you pleased with how they're coming together so far in the season?
Yeah, and I thought we really looked good in the first half. Looked like it was going to using a strong defense to launch the attacks from. That worked for us. I still thought it worked for us, even in the second half. I think we had a lapse of concentration to concede a free kick and then concede a goal. But it's a work in progress. Today, I would have said I was pleased with the progress.
And a follow-up question, Coach. As you said, it's 2 games in the group, 2 more left. The next game is a trip to Central and Trinidad. How will you be able to prepare the team for a must-win match like that?
No. Trinidad is coming here. So we have another home game. Yeah, it just means that we have to win every game. But it's not in our hands alone. We need to get some help to be able to qualify from this zone. We have 2 games. Anything less than a maximum 6 points is not going to work.
All right, Coach. And finally, you have 2 debutants in Forbes that we mentioned, Forbes and Mackenzie. Are you happy with your game today?
Oh, definitely. I mean, it's difficult. You know, our shirt is kind of heavy, difficult to wear. I thought they did well on their debut. I couldn't have asked anything much more from them. I think they'll get better, though, as soon as they acclimatize to our play.
Coach, immediately after the substitution of Denzel and Stein, it seemed that the attack kind of fall off a bit because the big chance that were created early in the first half, you weren't seeing enough of those who play home. Do you think that that's a contribution to the lack of opportunities created in the final last year?
Yes, Stein is quality, knows where to run, but the truth is, because of their training, how late they started to train seriously, we always planned to give them between 60 and 65 minutes, and that's what happened there.
How important it is to get some of the new incomings from signs, to get them up to scratch as fast as possible?
Very important. I mean, 3 of them was in the stands just watching. They couldn't play today. We hope to have at least 2 of them for Sunday. So as I say, it's a work in progress, and we're trying to get better and better. And you're right, the attack became a little bit impotent after those 2 came off. Ritga would have been tiring just a little because he did a lot of work. We didn't just have a cutting edge after a while.
But defensively, the team still looks solid, very, very solid, and most of their opportunities are from set pieces because they're quite a physical team. How pleased are you in the defensive, or the defenders equip themselves, especially the fact that a bit of new pair involved in the team?
Oh, very well, and Cavalier is known for good defensive action, so it's something to build from. So we are pleased with our defensive work today. Of course, not so pleased with conceding a free kick just outside of the box, but as I said before, we know we're going to start slow. We just have to build on it.
Any further questions?
No, thank you.